Understanding the layout of a website, any website, is quite essential. In order to do that, you have to understand that a website is divided into several different sections. These sections can be controlled using CSS. This allows us to manage our content very easily. So every website typically has something called a header, which is basically always placed at the top, containing a text or probably a logo somewhere around here. This header can also contain the navigation menus at the top as well. Then we have the main navigation menu bar, which is usually divided into subcomponents having various different navigations. Then comes the main section where all contents are divided. In this case, we have three column sections. One is sidebar, then in the middle content, and the right bar. This sidebar can also contain the links and various different options here. This content can contain some other section displaying some other information, and your main content goes here. Finally, we have a footer. This footer basically holds the basic information about your website, the sitemap, and extra information here. So this basically typically allows us to create all our main sections within our web page.